What's going on, everybody? Check this big beauty out. Check this out. Look at that. Got me a rooftop unit this morning. Well, early afternoon, I should say. And I didn't even have to get out of bed to go get it. Got dropped off to me. Look at the size of this puppy. This thing's about the size of a queen-size mattress. Unreal. We got two nice fan motors up there. We'll get this puppy unstrapped here. Which way you going? For reals. Get this unstrapped sometime before the new year hits. Why is this stuck in here so bad? Jeez, oh Pete's. I already got the chain popped. All I gotta do is drag that down. Okay. Come on. Look at that. Straps be gone. All right. So pop all these screws out of here real quick. We are gonna do a complete teardown on this. Normally these take me a little while. It just kind of all depends on what the insides are looking like. A bucket for my screws. Holy moly. I tell you what, that's one of the heaviest parts of the whole unit. Oh, there's a little bit of wire in there. Go in the back. Go in the back. Go in the back. Get in the backyard. Let's go. Go on. Come on. Let's go. In the back. That's him out all the time and it doesn't watch him. Imagine that. So a couple of these screws out. I don't know what these ones are holding, but we're pulling them out anyways. So you guys seen there's one nice big coil on the other side. And there'll be another one on the inside. So I just do what I can, get whatever panels off I can. I'm running out of daylight, so just do what we can today. All these screws that are on here so far are all 5/16. So I kind of have my demo tools set up for being able to bust down the air conditioners as quickly and efficiently as possible. And dropping all screws, that's where I drive. So this panel's almost free. No, it's not. I lied. Sorry. So these panels, see, I was told this thing caught on fire. And there's a good chance of it. We'll see once we get into this section here. But these panels that are like this, these are going straight with dirty steel. I'm not messing with them. You get like this big panel up top. This got some insulation on it. I'm going to take a flat shovel and scrape the insulation off with the shovel and turn that dirty steel into clean steel. So May sound a little bit crazy, but regular dirty steel. I know a lot of my subscribers, a lot of my friends, they call it shred. That is paying right now $190 a ton. Now, if I clean this steel up, that price goes up to $280 a ton. So for me, I'd rather spend a couple extra minutes, because the steel that's on these big units is pretty heavy. But we'll see what the insulation looks like. If it's all nasty and all burnt up and baked on, then that we're not going to mess with. You know, I really want to drop these fan motors. I really want to drop them. Let's see. Well, let's try it. Well, broke. One more to break. Ready for that motor to drop? There she is. The only thing she's caught up on is that pretty copper. Holy moly. I don't know if you guys can see them sealed units in there. Holy smokes. Wow. Them are some serious sealed units in there. That's some serious business. Well, while I'm right here, I might as well take some screws out while I'm up here, right? Might as well. Ain't gonna hurt none. Yeah, we're not gonna run this. Not gonna run this too long, because it's getting dark out, and I don't want to make a crappy video for everybody. That's just not my thing. I'm trying to put out the best content I possibly can. So we're gonna cut it here, and we're gonna get more of this done tomorrow. So hope you guys are excited. I know I sure am, getting this big unit. And everybody have a good night, and we'll see you soon.